Hey YouTubers, Digger coming at you with another little update of, well, video stuff. On talking to somebody that has done this before, I'm referring to the TV issue of trying to get one thing like a Fire Stick or whatever to broadcast on 3 televisions. A guy suggested and showed me a video that this worked for him. So it's just this little box right here. This thing, it's got some weight to it. Thing's metal, but it is a 1-in 4-out HDMI splitter. It says right on it, 1x4 HDMI splitter 18G, made by REI. About 40 bucks on Amazon. So tomorrow, I've got some things going on today. Tomorrow I'm going to get out there with the bus and run me another HDMI cable from the front to the rear for the other TV, and I'm going to install this thing and we'll find out if this solves my problem. God, I hope so. Figured I'd give you guys that short little update. So have a happy day. We'll catch you on the flip side, and remember, the party starts here. Everybody have a happy Sunday. Digger is out. And hey YouTubers, don't forget to hit that little subscribe button, and maybe even that little ding ding bell thing. That way you get updated and you know what's going on right after I do it. So tune in, there's more to come. The party starts here.